What's up guys, it's me, your Jimmy a Geek. So here's my Essential Phone PH-1. So let me do the OTG test. Yes, I love my Essential Phone PH-1 a lot. So here is the OTG test. So I'm going to use my 128 GB SanDisk flash drive and then going to use with the this one is the micro USB one. Let me get this one. Okay, yeah, let me get the micro USB to the USB type C. Okay, here we go. As you can see, can you see or not? And now let me plug in the flash drive. As you can see, already plug in the flash drive. I mean, can you see or not? I already plug in the flash drive. And now let me unlock the phone. Okay, okay, it's showing. I mean, it's showing something. I'm happy that it's showing. At least it's showing something. Okay, it's working. You see, 128 GB flash drive. I mean, you can look by yourself. It's working. I'm really very glad. I'm really very much happy. I mean, okay. I mean, okay. Let me play something like mobile test videos. Maybe okay, sound. Okay, something like this. Play it now. Okay, it's not working again. Play music player. Anyway, okay, I didn't install this. So the right music player. Okay, let me open some kind of like images. Okay, Rwanda trip. Okay, mobile test. uh, Wallpaper. Yes, working. As you can see, it's working. So the flash drive work with the Essential Phone PH-1 because the Essential Phone PH-1 is one of the best phone ever. If you wanna buy this phone, you can buy this phone from the link below. And do not forget to subscribe. It was me, Gmail Geek. Subscribe and bye.